Oh, man, boy. Let me get my butt up here. I'm running late. Oh, man, the fella's gonna be coming over here, y'all. Man, I got to do, I don't really have to do a video. They told me to just go ahead and film it. Oh, man. All right, I guess I will make a cooking general video. Alrighty. All right, welcome to the cooking general. Now, I'm finna to hit this pit. Get back with you. Welcome back to the cooking general. It's still kind of early. Boys ain't here yet, and I got the Foster on the pit. Now, what you want to do, you want to marinate your meat overnight, and I got several seasons on mine, you know what I'm saying? You can kind of use what you want to use on these here, these rubs and stuff, but this is a pork rub, and I got different seasons, peppers, spices on it. Now, you can do yours any way you want to do yours, but I recommend you do them overnight, especially if it's wild. It's a wild hog. We got a wild hog problem in Texas, so these are the back two hams, just back two shoulders of it, and we're gonna make some good pulled pork wraps out of these here. You know, I was gonna do sandwiches, but they told me to film it and do something different. I ain't got no camera person here, so let's get started. Alrighty, we got them on there. Got the fire going. I'm finna close the pit down. And it's about 7 a.m. to give you approximate time when I first started. All right, let's get this thing going. Oh, give me this right here. Ooh, got a good old barbecue flavor to it. Alrighty, I got this here pit about 250. I'm gonna get it up to about 300. I'm gonna go ahead and make my special sauce. And man, every time I do pulled pork, you know, I always do it different. This time I'm gonna do it in a wrap, man.
Suppose it don't come out right.
Well, if it don't come out right,
I got beans and bologna.
all right, welcome back to the cooking general now. Check it out here. Now, I got my red bell pepper, my green bell pepper, my onions cut up. This is what I'm gonna make my sauce with. Now, you wanna go up in there with a stick of butter now. Hit it with your Cajun seasoning, baby. Gonna take some of my favorite barbecue sauce here now. I can make it from scratch, but you know, we're gonna use this as a Kraft sweetened brown sugar. Like that. And we're also gonna go up in there with some sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Now, we're gonna put it on the pit, cover it with foil, and let it do its thing. Baby. Alrighty, welcome back to the cooking journal. Now, I know this ain't how I usually shoot videos, but you know what I'm saying, they want me to do the video. They're gonna probably get here, I don't know, probably after 12. Right now, you know what I'm saying, I put my onions, bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onions, add me another stick of butter, re-season it, and now I got them brown as I want to. Now I'm gonna cook them in this here for a while, then I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna finally brown them. So we almost at the end of it, but then I still got to make the wrap, so I'm gonna show you how to do that there. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in here, and we're gonna cover it up, and we're gonna put it back on the pit, and come back, I'll show you. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. It's about 11 o'clock. You remember I told you I put them on about around 7. So you can see, yeah, that's gonna be the pulled pork there. Ooh. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the wrap. Man, they ready. Add some body. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now you wanna go ahead and put your pulled pork off in there, and I'm gonna add some of this here sauce to it too. See, because I got it tender. You wanna get some of that sauce there out, and you wanna put it on there just like that there. I had filmed this earlier, but it didn't record, so I'm redoing this again. So I put it in there so it makes sense to show you exactly what I'm doing. Now, let me go in here and toast it, and then we can end this video. Make sure I got this part this time. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. We're gonna end this video because this ain't the video I normally would do. I'm sorry for the lack of details and everything, but hey, this is how I make them. This is my pulled pork wrap. As you can see, it's got the bell peppers, the onions. Let me go there right there. It's got the barbecue sauce flavor, all that stuff already in there. You eat this here, that's pretty good size too. It's a pretty good size tortilla. That's why I got the big ones. So, but let me let you all know what's coming up. If you stick around here, you're gonna see I got really 2 special videos coming out. One really coming out next month in June. I'll be doing a live event, and I'll let y'all know more details about that on future video. I'll be doing a lot of demonstration really on cooking. And like I done last year, if y'all go back and watch my black cowboy beans video, you'll see what I'm talking about. And then I got that other dessert. I'm just waiting on some things to get right. And that's going to really shock you because nobody has ever done this before. And you will see it first on the Cooking General channel. So thank y'all for watching, sharing, and subscribing. Cooking General, I'm out.